Thank you for having me in your home. My name is Nohtal Partansky, the creator of the LATHON 3D printer. I grew up with Bill Nye and Magic School Bus, and because of that I was always into science and building things. Eventually I started getting into RC cars and rockets, and this motivated me to get degrees in aerospace engineering and mechanical engineering. But throughout all of my training I was always looking for something to build. Eventually I found 3D printing. "3D printing is awesome. With 3D printing, in the morning you can have an idea, and at night you can create that idea into a functional part." Once I noticed that this was the case, I was hooked. I couldn't stop 3D printing. But eventually I wanted to make complex parts, and I wanted to make bigger parts, and I wanted to make parts in different materials. But I couldn't, because my 3D printer was limited. And when I looked for more advanced 3D printers, they either didn't have all the capabilities I wanted in a price range I could afford, or they were like $4,000. I can't afford that. So I decided to design one myself. That's where the LATHON 3D printer project began. The 3D printer that I created has a large build volume. This 12 by 9 by 8 build volume is enclosed. By enclosing the build volume, you can decrease the temperature fluctuations that can cause errors in your print. What this build volume also allows you to do is filter out the impurities that are caused when printing certain materials like ABS. Also what this printer has is a state-of-the-art build platform. This build platform is made out of high-grade engineering plastic. What this means is that you don't need any tape or ABS juice or Elmer's glue on your borosilicate glass surface. Just heat it up with the included heated platform and it works. Another great thing about the printer is that it has dual nozzles. And these dual nozzles were the main goal of creating this printer. What the dual nozzles allow you to do, print in 2 different colors or 2 different materials. These 2 different materials can be something flexible like TPE, and you can make a flexible iPhone case similar to this, or it allows you to build prototypes that are strong and usable out of ABS, a lot like the extruders that are built into the printer. If you're not an engineer or an architect or something and you don't have CAD modeling experience, it doesn't matter. The LATHON printer can still print for you. You can go online to different various websites and get free models. So that means you can do this without any computer modeling experience. With your funding from Kickstarter, we'll be able to purchase in bulk to lower the cost of the printer. And not only that, but it'll be the first step to creating my full-fledged vision of a 3D printer in every home. Thank you.